Pencil sketching techniques for a Chinese cabbage, composition and proportions. Choose a suitable composition to make the cabbage structure clear. A triangular or slightly tilted arrangement can add visual interest. Ensure accurate proportions, maintaining a balanced relationship between the leaves and the stem. Light and shadow rendering. Observe the light source to define highlights, shadows, cast shadows, and reflected light. Leaves have intricate folds, so the light-dark transition should be gradual, emphasizing volume. The cabbage stem is smoother, requiring soft shading transitions to enhance its three-dimensional form. Texture, representation. Leaf section. The leaf edges should have a slightly rough texture, achieved with short, relaxed strokes to keep them natural. Leaf veins should transition gradually from thick to thin with soft contrast to avoid harsh lines. Overlapping leaves require careful differentiation. Foreground edges should be sharper, while background leaves should fade slightly. Stem section. Use smooth shading and blending techniques to create a firm, polished appearance. Highlights should be preserved for a fresh, moist effect, while shadows should be evenly layered to enhance volume. Line work. Leaves should be drawn with curved, organic lines, adjusting stroke direction according to the shape. The stem should have more controlled and stable strokes, using hatching or blending techniques for smooth shading transitions. Shadows should be softly blended to integrate with the surrounding environment, avoiding harsh edges. Final adjustments. After refining the details, review the overall light-dark balance to ensure strong dimensionality and clear visual layers. Use an eraser to lift highlights and enhance depth. Adjust the background if needed to prevent the subject from appearing isolated or flat.